Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck. In this video, I will talk about Google Play Store offers. I got a new offer in my Korean account and this is the first time. And here you can see the offer details. Now, here you can see the offer details. 2000 on discount on apps, games and in-app items provided by Google Play. This offer is already expired. I have to translate it to English so that I can understand cause I don't know Korean, okay? And here you can see the popular choices where you can use these offers, okay? And here you can see the terms and conditions also, and it is also written in Korean language, okay? So this is the offer I got in my Korean account. Now I will show you how to use the offer. To use the offer, I will go to the top chart section of Google Play Store and then I will go to the top paid section of Google Play Store. Now here you can see the list of top paid game of Google Play Store. Now if I just try to buy this Minecraft, and here you can see the price of this Minecraft is 9000 won, okay, and the offer is showing, okay, so offer is applied for this game. Now if I just try to buy this game, here you can see the offer is showing I have to pay only 7000 won. 2000 won I am getting discount for the offer. Okay, so in this way you can use these offers to buy apps and games.